Hi, hello mga pips hagangkes. I wanna show you for my small collection of perfumes. So, guys, they are not very expensive. Um, this is the only perfume that I can afford. So, it's not really expensive. So, bahala na kayong humusga. So, anuhin ko na mamaya, ha? Isa-isahin ko na sila. Hi, hello guys! I want to show you my small collection of my perfumes. So, guys, this is not a very expensive. It's just a simple one. Perfume that I can afford. So, please don't judge me. I just want to share only what I have and what I get. So, I'm gonna show you one by one. So, this is difficult that you cannot see me. So, next time I'm gonna buy a chair here so I can think. Because this is only our dryer. Because downstairs is too small, so we put it we put it together in my showroom. So that's why. Uy. So I wanna start it first. This one, guys, is from Mark Jacobs. Um, this is the Lula. So this one is a little bit fresh. It's not so strong, the smell. I really like it. So, andyan na yung parang half na siya. And this one is yung the Lady Millions. So, ito ay niregalo ng hubby ko. Ang hirap ng tumingin kasi, I'm already old. I'm getting a problem with my eyes. So, it's very blurred if I will look to the brand, the name. And then, this one, hindi ko na makikita eh. So, mabango to siya, guys. Mabango to siya. From,
Noah
I forget it, the
Perfume.
name. I cannot see it, guys. I cannot see it anymore. This is very good smell. Very good smell, and it's already empty because you know what? The last time when I'm using, I think it's already almost 2 years now. Until here it's half, and now, guys, if you don't use the perfume for so long, they will be evaporate. So especially if even if there is a cover on it, how you call that one? If even you will close it with this cup, I don't know how you call it that in English. It will goes like evaporating, Para bang yung mayroon siyang hangin na talagang umaano siya pag mayroon siyang na makalabas siya, yung nag-evaporate talaga siya. Pag hindi mo ginagamit, this one naman siya, yung evidence, I think this is from Laoshi.
If Roshi, I think that is from a friend that
I don't use much because for me it's like it's a kind of I don't know, it's like strong and like it's like it's thing for my nose. And my sister said to me, a sister friend, she said it's a good smell, it's not strong, but for me it's like a strong. And then this one, guys, is also from
I'm not sure if that is from if for she. I think
I
I believe that someone
this
gave that
one
to
I
me.
think I believe my mother-in-law, she gave it to me, and I did not use it also. It's only a little bit, but I don't know why it's not evaporating, this one. Probably because I don't open much. I never use it, and that's why probably once if you will use it, and then it's like the thing now, this one, it will lose, and then you will be it evaporate. And this one is my very favorite Davidoff. Um, it's a very fresh. It's not so strong, and then it's having is how many days already that it's hanging your clothes that you don't wear it anymore. The smell is still there. It's really nice. If I will use this perfume, and always someone will asking me, Madam, can I ask you something? What kind of perfume you are using? What is the name? And then I will see it. Then
Say it.
what is that? And then I will say, okay, we shall Google it. And we shall search to the Google, and then I will show it to them. Really, they're always asking to me this one. And then this one, guys, is the penguin. This is the perfume of my son when he was baby. And every time if I will go out, I will put a little bit, and then I keep it this because I always like feel that he is always um cuddling. I'm always cuddling him. So if I will dinga to him, it's always I'm feeling always like he is always with me. Huh? So it's really nice that one. And then I always before I always use that one also. It's like I'm feeling like I always feel my son. And then this one is the Jovan. It's from my sister, and it's already helped my sister in here. She's also here. She's now in Scotland. And then uh, this one is already the Lula. This one, the George Valentine. It's very good smell. This one. You know what is the perfume that I really like it? I always going back to the perfumer, and then I always buy a new one. And this one I'm gonna buy again, and also this one because this is my favorite. And this one is from Pure DKNY. It's also very good smell, so it's still loving this one. And then so this is already. Uh, this one also is good smell, but I never use so much in this. I just sweet if I go with something in the store, and then I will sweet. It looks like a ring, and I will smell. Then maybe I will buy. So like that. And then this one, I think is also from La Roche. La Roche, Iprushi. Sorry guys, La Roche. Iprushi is also good smell. This one, you can see this thing is almost finished. But mostly guys, my perfume, I always do also in aroma spray because if I will smell something, then I always spray. I will use my ring. And then this one, you know what, guys? When we are walking to the public market with my ex before, and then it's fun for us because we buy this one because it's a decaf in this one, in this perfume. Do you know this? So it's a John Paul, how you call it? Jean Paul, GP.
John Paul.
So I don't know how you will pronounce it. I'm sorry guys if I don't pronounce so well. This is the so this is from my husband now, my second husband. He gave this to me. So it's a very good smell too. So and then this one also is a very good smell from the Elisab. Very good smell, this one, guys. I'm gonna buy this one also next time, because this is my fave. This one and this one, my fave. This one, the Davidoff. Somewhere, and then if I see something, oh, I like it, that then I will take it. Yeah, this is from Kylie Minogue. And then the Obsession sa ex ko to. Ah, maano to siya, guys, parang stone siya, pero it's a very good smell. Kaya nga, oh, malapit na siyang maubos. So, matagal ko na yung ano, hindi siya nag-evaporate. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. So, ito tapos na yata to, ano. Ano ba to? Nawala yung ngalan niya. Ano, the era. And then, the foam.
The foamy.
English siya. Kasi para siyang French poem, parang poem. And then, this one, I don't know, someone who gave it this to me.
Indiana Jones.
Someone who gave it this to me. I think, I forget. She's my classmate in Netherlands. So I think it's the one, I believe. I already forgot. Sana ba tayo? Tapos na to siya. Yung the Melius. This one. The spring flower. Saan ba to siya? Springtime. I don't know exactly from where is this. So this one, guys, I like it. This the Japan, and then this one is my favorite. Bibili ulit ako dito. Actually, they are all very good smell, you know. And then ito guys siya, guys. Ito siya.
Usually that one, the time we was there in the black market, and then we seen that all fake perfumes that you just copy. And I seen these two things that I said to my ex that I wanna buy that as for aroma spray. So I bought it. So, but I like it more the one for the woman that who have a big bobby, because I like it the smell. It's very good for really for the room spray.
So this is it, guys. So it's not too much, I think. So ito naman siya, guys, yung parang lipstick. So, if you see this, it's like a lipstick. It's really, if you don't know, then you will think it's a lipstick, but it's a perfume, you know. So if i-fill up ko lang siya dito, ayan. Palalagay ko. So kung alin dyan, pag naubos na to, kukuha lang ako sa isa sa kanila dito. Ilagay ko dito. So ito ang pangbaong to sa bag ko. So pag pinapawisan ako na I'm feeling like I'm very smelly, stink, like I'm doing, because you know I'm always doing with cleaning with the products. So I'm always put this after, or here I'm gonna put it so like this, so like that, and then so like this. So mawawala na yung smell, you know. So ito siya. Ayan yung Tommy Girl. So I think I already show you everything. So this one, it's really nice, you know. I think my ex gave it this to me. It was Valentine's, I think, I believe. I'm not sure anymore. Mahilig siyang mamimigay ng mga ganito. So, kaya lang, pag hindi ko nagustuhan, binibigay ko sa kaibigan ko, kaya nakasell pa siya. So, binibigay ko as present. Minsan nanghihinayang din ako. So, lalo na pagbigay ng ano sa'yo. So, ito siya. It's really nice if you receive it. So, that's all, guys, that I can show you. So, hope that you enjoy watching it. And please don't judge me. Hindi po ako, mayaman. So, yung makakaya ko lang. And this is already a long time collection perfumes, you know. So, ayan sila. So, guys, it's already long my video. So, see you for the next time. And bye-bye.